First, open the box and remove a sealed packet. Tear open the sealed packet using one of the indentions at the top. Once you remove the pad from the packet, unfold the pre-moistened pad and wrap it around your forefinger. Close one eye and cleanse the eyelid and eyelashes using side-to-side strokes. Next, gently pull down the lower eyelid and cleanse the inner lid margin using side-to-side strokes. Repeat this action for the upper eyelid by gently pulling up the upper eyelid and cleaning the inner eyelid margin. Once you are done cleaning one eyelid, turn the pad over and wrap it around your other forefinger. Close your other eyelid and repeat the same steps to cleanse the second eyelid. This is a leave-on formula, so there is no need to rinse afterwards.